Bye, honey.
Oh, here we go. Super scared, but hey, go home.
Good morning. This night I dropped Dorien off at the airport at 5 o'clock in the middle of the night. And I drove another hour to a free camper location with free electricity, which is good, so I can do a whole lot of editing and just chill, I guess. Yep, pretty quiet in here. Another card, Victor? Okay. Are you sure you want another card? Okay, your loss. Another card, Victor. Do you even understand the game of blackjack, Victor? Are you freaking kidding me, Victor? 6 times in a row? You're a cheater. You're a cheater. I'm not playing this game with you anymore. Okay, let's compare. Lost again. Okay, bye. All joking aside, we're fine without Dorien. I just did a lot of editing and now I'm gonna take the little guy for a walk. So, it stopped drizzling and it's now properly raining. So I totally misjudged the length of that walk. We're soaked, but we're back. He's also soaked. Van is still here, which is amazing. And we're going inside now.
So, I'm here. I'm in the Netherlands. I landed like 5 minutes ago. One of our best friends is picking me up, and yeah, can't wait to surprise Mom and everyone else.
It's Monday today, which means that today Dorien is coming back, which is awesome. It's 11 o'clock right now. Her plane is supposed to land at 2, which gives us some time to go to a place with free Wi-Fi, so we can do some last adjustments to the vlog. I'm saying we, like Fixer and I, but he's not gonna help. It's no problem. I had a lovely few days here in El Bawa, or something like that. I don't know. Where am I?
At the airport in Amsterdam. My sister over here is bringing me, and she is leaving on Sunday. My brother is leaving on Saturday. My brother lives on Bonaire, so he flies back Saturday, and she will leave this Sunday to Tokyo for 10 months. So my parents don't have any child left in the Netherlands. Sorry. I'm back in Spain, in Madrid, and I'm waiting for Jesse to pick me up at Victor of Colors.
So I'm currently on my way to the aeroporto, driving on the very busy highways of Madrid. So I know Dorien only left 2.5 days ago, but I already missed her like crazy. Pretty quiet without her. Now, let's have a look. She should be somewhere around here. There she is! I already see her. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Look at that! That's my home! Let's surprise my little buddy! Let's surprise my little buddy! Oh my god, I can't wait, he doesn't hear me yet. What? What?
Who's that, Victor?
My boys! My boys! My boys! Hi! 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 Oh, little buddy! Oh my god, I missed you. I missed you too.
Did you?
I did. Good morning. When Jesse picked me up from the airport yesterday, I was absolutely tired, and we went back to the place where Jesse stayed when I was away. And yeah, it's pretty up here, but we had some free electricity, and now it's time to move. Good morning! We just left our camper spot where we spent the night, and yesterday when the weather was absolutely fine, we had our first lunch outside without our coats on, and now it's rainy and cold, so we're heading to the coast.
Yes, we are.
need some company.
Time for a shower. Bath.
A bath.
Gigantic bath.
He didn't have a shower in more than a week, no?
Yeah, nice smell. All pretty bad.
Go! Go on, Jesse! After a week at this beautiful location, we're leaving because we need to do some laundry, we need to get some showers going on, so we're leaving. We put 2 weeks into one vlog this time because we kind of forgot to vlog. There wasn't much to vlog though because we were busy with doing nothing. We relaxed super hard and enjoyed the beach. We had an amazing week and when we left it kind of felt like our home. We ended our week absolutely great with Ross and Sarah and the little boy Riley Bear. We had a barbecue on the beach and a bonfire beneath the stars, with a lot of wine and beer. A little too much. Thanks for watching, see you next time.